Hey everybody, DRutter here. It's Christmas Eve. You're just looking at my home garden and some decorations wrapped around my 4 Christmas trees. That's Beauty, my 2 Northern Lights plants, and Kayla, and No Beef is a Steam OG, and so is Ace. Beautiful plant who has just shown me her flowers, so I have good news, and that's a nice little Christmas present for me. But my little Christmas message to you this year, it comes to you from 1979. I was having my 4th or 5th Christmas at the time, and it's one of my first Christmas memories, really. My parents had a record player in the living room, and that Christmas they got a record, and it was John Denver's Christmas album with the Muppets. And this is Kermit the Frog's song, which I felt I really identified with, and I've really liked this song ever since. So I don't know if you believe in Christmas or if you have presents underneath the Christmas tree, but if you believe in love, that will be more than enough for you to come and celebrate with me. For I have held the precious gift that love brings, even though I never saw a Christmas star. I know there is a light. I have felt it burn inside, and I have seen it shining from afar. Christmas is the time to come together, a time to put all differences aside. And I reach out my hand to the family of man to share the joy I feel at Christmas time. For the truth that binds us all together, I would like to say a simple prayer, that at this special time you would have true peace of mind and love to last throughout the coming year.